Manipal Hospitals has worked towards ensuring your safety in these challenging times. Manipal Hospitals has maintained zero staff infection. We have always been extending world-class care, putting you and your needs first. Hence, we are proud to tell you about the exceptional safety measures that we have taken so that you feel safe with Manipal Hospital. We have aligned our cleaning protocols to global guidelines and sanitized every corner of the hospital. Your care begins right when you enter the hospital. The valet driver ensures he sanitizes his hands, collects your key, sanitizes it and the steering, door handles, and parks the car. He also sanitizes his hands after parking to ensure hygienic interaction with the next patient. Every patient that enters the hospital undergoes thermal screening, and a detailed medical and travel history is taken by the nurse. Also, the hospital has a separate entry for senior citizens and pregnant women to ensure the safety of vulnerable patients. If a patient has fever or cough, they are directed towards the fever clinic situated away from the common area where they would undergo further evaluation. Moreover, we also have a specialized respiratory care for people with severe symptoms, which helps in isolation and providing care. All the healthcare workers in Manipal hospitals, nurses, doctors and allied health professionals who are involved in taking care of suspect patients are provided with appropriate personal protective equipment. We also have made it mandatory for everyone to put on a mask before entering the hospital premises. Also, our strict protocols will only allow one attendee along with the patient. As you enter the hospital, we ensure that proper social distancing is maintained. We have grids on the floors which guide the patient to maintain an adequate physical distance of 1.6 meters from each other. All our staff, including people at the billing desk and the OPD, are trained to maintain all the rules of social distancing. We are aware that multiple surfaces may be touched in the hospital. That's why our housekeeping protocols have made it mandatory to sanitize tabletops and surfaces with 1% sodium hypochlorite solution. Railings, doorknobs, as well as lift buttons are also cleaned. In our labs, as the patients come into the phlebotomy area for giving samples, we ensure that the sample area are kept very clean. Our phlebotomists take stringent precaution in ensuring that due hygiene is maintained. As the patients come into the radiology area, whether be it for an ultrasound or MRI or a CT scan, the radiologist, the technicians, the housekeeping staff are aware, are trained on how to treat the patient while maintaining proper care. We also have timely announcements as a reminder in the hospital for everyone.
Namaste. We request your kind attention. In the interest of your safety, we request you to maintain a safe distance in all seating areas and avoid using the elevators unless necessary. We also request you to wear a mask at all times and make use of the hand sanitizers available on every floor. Thank you.
We at Manipal Hospitals fully understand the anxiety and concerns of a patient to visit a hospital post-lockdown. It is for this same reason that our top priority has been to ensure we create a safe environment for our patients when they come back. Our high standards of safety have been raised even higher as we firmly believe that the safety starts with the safety of our caregivers. Our doctors, our nurses, our paramedical staffs have been fully trained to adhere to the stringent guidelines. As you would have seen in the video, we have left no stone unturned to ensure that you feel safe when you come to a Manipal hospital. When you come to the hospital, you'll see the surfaces are being cleaned on a regular basis. The staff would request you to wear a mask. There would be a request to maintain physical distancing. All of this is the new normal at Manipal Hospital. so that when you come to us, you will feel safe.
Safety starts with us.
We are fully operational. Call 1800 102 5555 for appointments.